So let's discuss the example of if conditions, next if else condition, and then nested if condition. First we'll take the if condition here. The syntax of if condition is, first we'll write the if, then in the bracket we'll write the condition, and after colon we write the statement of the conditions, if the conditions. So let's begin. So here we'll take if a number is positive or not. So let's take an example. So if I write if, okay, first I'll declare a variable num. Okay, if num is greater than 0 colon, then after indentations we'll write the body of the if condition. So we'll write print if num equal is greater than 0, then we'll write num is a positive number. Its value is, we write num. Okay, we save this one and let's check. So I get num is a positive number and its value is 10. So this is the if conditions. If we check with the syntax here, we have first written the if here, then in the bracket we write the condition, and then after the colon we write the body of the if conditions where we have print statement here. Next we will take if else condition. So here syntax will change now. So here we will write if this conditions, then the statement is this one, else, again we have to write colon, then you have to write an indentation, then we have to write the statement again. This is statement 2, this is statement 1. So we'll take an example again. Okay, we'll take the same example. So first we have defined a num variable which is 10, and we check if the number is positive or not. It's greater than 0. So if this one, it is a positive number and its value is num. Else, you can write here else. Then we write the next statement. Num is negative number. So if I write here minus 10, so we should get num is a negative number. So else condition will execute here. So you get num is a negative number. So this is if condition and if else condition. Next we'll again take elif condition. Here the syntax will be nested if conditions, then we write L if. Again we write a condition here. Then after the statement will be there. And if both the condition does not satisfy, we write the else condition. Else, next we will write the third case. Okay, so we'll take the same thing. So we check if a number is greater than 0, then it is a positive number. We can write elif here. Elif num equal to 0. Okay. Print num value is 0. So here we have two conditions. First it will check if it is a positive number or not. If it is not, then it will check if it is number is 0 or not, and if both condition does not satisfy, it will print the next else statement. Here we change the value of num equal to 0 and we save it and we'll run the program. Let's see, we should get the num value is 0 as the output. So we got that one, num value is 0. So this is the nested loop. So we have discussed all the three examples here for conditional statement. Now let us go to the next example, which is iteration, in the next video.